transcriptional unit and the gene. What is gene? It is a part of DNA. A group of nucleotides can specify one character called a gene. A group of nucleotides involved in formation of a polypeptide chain, that is called a gene. So, a gene is the unit of inheritance. Generally, we call it a cistron. Cistron. What is the cistron? Group of nucleotides involved in the formation of a polypeptide chain, that is called a cistron. Here, some genes they produce one polypeptide chain, that is called monocistronic. And one gene, it may produce more than one type of polypeptide chain, that is polycistronic. That is polycistronic. A group of nucleotides that produce one polypeptide chain, that is monocistronic. A group of nucleotides that produce more than one polypeptide chain, polycistronic. Monocistronic seen in eukaryotes. Polycistronic seen in mostly in prokaryotes, there is a bacteria also. We studied this polycistronic in case of the lack of operon in this topic lastly. So, one gene that produces more than one polypeptide chains, that is the polycistronic gene. And if a gene that produces only one polypeptide chain, that is called monocistronic gene. Monocistronic genes that present in eukaryotes, and the polycistronic gene mainly present in prokaryotes. So, a cistron group of nucleotides specify one polypeptide chain.